Hey there, today we will set up WAN2GP to be fully accelerated. As you probably know, it does not come with any accelerators installed by default. We are going to fix that. Open the Accelerator project page and deactivate the current virtual environment. Now we will download the Accelerator Lite file from the repo by opening it in a new tab and downloading the raw text file into our WAN2GP folder. Now we open the tutorial for WAN2GP to follow the instructions. First, we create a new virtual environment with Python 12. It appears as a directory on the File Explorer. Now we activate it and install the Accelerator Lite file we downloaded. This will take a little while to download and install. Lastly, we install the requirements file from the original project. Currently with Xformers version 0.30, there is a bug that we have to fix. If the project page does not list it, then it is fixed. Just follow the instructions to fix the bug and paste the commands needed. So make sure to check the project page for news and bug fixes. This is it. Now you can start and use the app normally. For this video, we will confirm that the accelerators were installed and recognized by the application. As you can see, the application does not say that the libraries are not installed. This means it worked. Have fun with it.